Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download Discord on your PC, and it's free and very easy. That's actually gonna be a very quick tutorial. Just watch this video all the way to the end. And yeah, so first searching Google Chrome Discord download like this, click on Discord download and download for Windows. And as you can see, it's working only for Windows 7 or higher. So download for Windows, wait till it's downloading. As you can see, I'm not downloading it for first time. I've already downloaded it and installed it, and yeah, as I said, it's free. It's not some virus, it's not some hack or something. It's full legal and it's safety because it's from the official site from the Discord, as you can see. And now it's ready. Just click on it, just click on run, wait a few seconds till it's running. It's here, and as you can see here, you can find Discord. Yeah, that was it, how to download Discord on your PC. It was, as I said, it was easy and simple and quick. So if you like this video, if you're finding this video for helpful, just you can like it. And if you have some problems, if you have some questions with the Discord or some other programs, just you can comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond in a few days. And see you next video. Bye.